Best track saws. I bought and tested these track saws so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. I've been in the woodworking game for a while, and I know how crucial it is to have reliable tools. These products aren't just random picks. I've put them through their paces to find the best options for your next project. Product number 1. Ru-Tool Japanese Hand Saw. When I first picked up the Ru-Tool Japanese hand saw, I was immediately struck by its sleek design and lightweight feel. This isn't just a saw, it's a finely crafted tool that feels like an extension of your hand. The 6-inch double-edged blade offers incredible versatility, with one side boasting 17 TPI for hardwood and the other 14 TPI for softwood. I found that it cuts through wood like butter thanks to the SK5 high carbon steel blade, which has a hardness rating of HRC 60 to 63. I was able to make flush cuts and fine finish cuts with ease, leaving my projects looking polished. The hardened 3-edged teeth also played a significant role in making smoother cuts, which is crucial for any woodworker. Pros of this saw include its lightweight design, which makes it easy to maneuver, and the durable, flexible blade that allows for precision cutting. Product number 2, Skill 15-amp 7 1/4 inch circular saw, a powerhouse in the world of circular saws. I was genuinely impressed by its 15-amp motor that delivers a blazing 5,300 RPM, allowing for incredibly fast and clean cuts. What I loved most was the single beam laser guide. It dramatically improved my accuracy, especially when I was cutting large panels. The saw's ability to bevel up to 51 degrees with a positive stop at 45 degrees gives you added versatility for various angles. The pros list is long: powerful motor, laser guide, and a dust blower that keeps your line of sight clear. However, it does come with a bit of weight, which could be a drawback for some users during prolonged use. Product number 3, Milescraft Track Saw Guide. The Milescraft 1409 Track Saw Guide was a game changer for my projects. I found that the universal compatibility with most circular saws made it incredibly easy to integrate into my existing toolkit. Right out of the box, it offers a 50-inch cutting range, and with optional extensions, you can cut even longer lengths. The all-metal construction is a huge plus. It feels sturdy and resistant to flexing, which is critical for achieving accurate cuts. On the positive side, the low profile allows for deep cuts, and I was pleased to see how the red cutting strip helped in minimizing splintering. The only downside? You need to ensure that your saw is compatible to get the best results. Product number 4, WEN CT992F Track Saw Clamps. Moving on to the WEN CT992F track saw clamps, these little devices might not seem like much, but they truly elevate your cutting experience. With a 2.5-inch throat and a 7.5-inch maximum opening, these clamps provide a secure grip on your workpieces. I was especially impressed with the quick release buttons that made it easy to adjust the clamps without fuss. The squeeze grip triggers also ensure maximum security during operation, allowing me to focus solely on my cuts rather than worrying about my setup. One downside is that they are specifically compatible with WEN tracks, so if you have a different brand, you might need to check compatibility. Product number 5, the WEN 7.25-inch track saw. Finally, we have the WEN 7.25-inch track saw, a fantastic tool for anyone serious about woodworking. I was genuinely impressed by its variable speed operation, which ranges from 2,000 to 6,000 RPM. This feature allowed me to adapt my cutting speed based on the material I was working with. The saw accepts standard 7 1/4 inch blades, so you won't be limited in blade choices. I particularly appreciated the included 40-tooth carbide-tipped blade, which provided clean cuts right out of the box. Pros include its ability to make plunge cuts up to 2.6 inches thick and the compatibility with various track systems. However, the downside is that being corded, it does limit your mobility compared to battery-operated models. In conclusion, each of these products brings something unique to the table. Whether you need precision, power, or versatility, there's a tool here that can elevate your woodworking game. Make sure to choose the one that best fits your needs, and you won't regret it.